What if it quietly strengthened everything beneath the surface? So growth above the surface became easier. Because in gardening, the foundation decides what happens next. And most people only focus on what they can see. But real strength begins below. From 7D Life comes a focused soil philosophy. Mythera, rejuvenative soil architecture. Mythera is built on one simple idea. When the ground is structured correctly, growth becomes more consistent. Not forced, not rushed, not dependent on constant correction. Just supported. Because healthy roots don't need shortcuts. They need stability. Soil isn't just dirt. It's an environment. It holds moisture. It moves air. It carries nutrients. It supports microbial life. It regulates balance. When those systems work together instead of competing, plants respond differently. Roots expand more freely. Nutrients are absorbed more steadily. Water is used more efficiently. Growth becomes stronger over time instead of unpredictable. One of the biggest misunderstandings in gardening is thinking that plants do all the work. They don't. Plants respond to the environment they are placed in. The structure of the soil determines how water moves, how air circulates, and how nutrients are exchanged at the root level. When the structure is unstable, plants spend more energy adapting. When the structure is balanced, plants spend more energy growing. That difference is subtle at first, but over time, it becomes obvious. Roots develop differently. Growth patterns become more consistent. And the plant begins to operate within a rhythm instead of reacting to stress. This is the idea behind Mythera. Instead of constantly correcting problems above the surface, the focus is placed where growth actually begins. Below the surface. Most commercial soils are designed for short cycles. They break down. They compact. They require constant feeding. They require flushing. They lose balance over time. Mythera is structured differently. It's designed to mature, to stabilize, to strengthen its internal balance through each cycle instead of losing it. The goal isn't explosive growth. The goal is sustained performance. Because growth that compounds is more powerful than growth that spikes. When you nurture the soil strengthens the roots. When the roots strengthen, the plant stabilizes. When the plant stabilizes, growth becomes more predictable. Less stress, less reaction, more rhythm. And once that rhythm is established, intervention becomes minimal. Not because you're doing less, but because the system is doing more. This is Mythera, rejuvenative soil architecture. Built for growers who understand that real strength begins below the surface. If this way of thinking resonates with you, subscribe. And if you believe foundation matters, leave a like so this message reaches more growers. Because this channel is about structure, balance, and building systems that last. Build, balance, grow.